Good morning, this is Sonia, and it is 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm still a little sleepy. I'm here in Costa Rica in the mountains, just about to meditate. Um, and it's so beautiful, I just wanted to show you around a little bit. And once I shut up, you might hear even the sounds of the forest. It's amazing. There's nothing here. Yesterday evening for dinner, besides of the lodge that we are, and it's only two people, like there's no other guests right now. There's no lights anywhere, like there are no neighbors, there's nothing. You look and it's just pitch black and you just hear incredible noises. It's really beautiful. So I will show you a little bit around and then I'm going to meditate. Okay, talk to you later.